So you bought the course, this is what it looks like. You have different learning modules. What is UGC? Creating content, editing, how to make a portfolio, tribe app for UGC. UGC TikTok shop brands, Faceless UGC, you have Incense app for UGC. This is the classroom. You can do tech UGC, pet UGC. This is where you're gonna learn. Let's click on how to edit. So you're gonna go through every single module. It's gonna show you examples on what to do and videos. It's gonna be your learning area. You're gonna learn at your own time, however you see fit. Don't get overwhelmed, take it slow. It's gonna show you everything that you need to know. The community area, and this is where everybody helps one another. We root for each other. We help one another with any questions or concerns. We also have the calendar. You get to sign up for portfolio audits live, to hop online with mentors and the people in the community to look over your portfolio. Every day there's Amazon reviews, portfolio audits. We have different newbie chat where you just want to learn, meet new people. So this is going to be on the calendar. So you're never going to be by yourself. We're going to be holding your hand the whole time, whether it's the mentors or your community. In the community, you also have jobs that they post for UGC. So you don't necessarily have to go look for a job. They also post jobs right here. So it's very convenient. Have general discussion, mindset, weekly challenges, promo material, sales, testimonies. So people within the course will post their testimonies here, you guys. Look at all of this. These are all the testimonies from people that are in the community that bought the course. You know what it looks like, and now you can see what you're buying, and you have all of this at your fingertips. You have the learning material that you need. You have all of the tools. All you have to do is take some time to learn and implement so you could start making money. And you have the community and the mentors within the app to help you along the way. You will never be by yourself. Invest in yourself. Put this on a payment plan. That's what I did. When I bought this course, I put it on a payment plan, and I already made money and paid off the course in my first week. So definitely, if you have any questions, you will always have access to me. Message me, comment down below. I will help you along the way. We are a community and we are here to help one another and succeed. Everybody's gonna make money. Let's go. Secure the bag today. Once you buy this, you have access to this forever. You are getting community, you are getting mentorship, you're getting the educational tools that you need. You also getting on live calls to get help with any questions or concerns that you have. This is the greatest tool I have invested in myself, and that's why I am talking about it, because anybody can start. I've seen so many people from different age gaps that can literally pick this up and start learning and implementing. What are you waiting for? If you take the time to learn and implement, you will make money. Trust me. And because I know you're going to spend that money anyways on something else that's not going to help you make money. Let's secure the bag.